Hi Scholars, Miss Malloy here, and I'm gonna work with you through some of the line plot questions from Wednesday. So you have to create your own line plot once again, and the table below shows the height of books on Kay's shelf. So I went through the data, and I already saw, I created my line plot. This data is, it's not broken up into quarters, it's only broken up into halves. So the lowest amount was 6.5. So my line plot should start at 6 because we always start with the whole number. And the highest amount was 9. 9 is a whole number, so I'm just going to stop my line plot at 9. I then plotted all of my x's. I have my checklist right here. Then I have my unit, my inches, I have my title, height of books on Kay's shelf, and I have my key. 1x equals 1 book. Okay, now that I have my line plot, I'm going to answer the questions. I'm going to use it to help me. Number 2 says, what number did you start your line plot with? Explain your thinking. Well, I already briefly went into that, but I started with the number 6. I started with the number 6 because it is the lowest whole number. The shortest book length is 6.5, so I chose the whole number 6. The next question, number 3, what is the most frequent height of the books on the shelf? Frequency, as a reminder, is how often something occurs. So I'm going to look for the number that has the most x's. I see number 8. It has 3 x's, and it goes up the highest than all of the other numbers. So the most frequent is 8. Number 4, the last one, I saw a lot of friends get tricked on this problem on Monday. It says, what is the height of the shortest book? The misconception here is that some friends said 7.5, 8.5, and 9. There's confusion there between the frequency and the height. So the height is how big something is. The frequency is how often it happens. So I'm just going to put my hand over all of those x's. And I'm going to think, which height on this number line is the shortest? I know that. It's 6. I know that 6 is going to be smaller than 9. So 6 is my shortest. Now I'm going to take my hand off and I'm going to rethink about that problem from the line plot. And it says, what is the shortest book? The shortest book is 6.5 because that is the shortest length and it has at least one x. It has 2 x's that have occurred. So the answer for the shortest book should be 6.5. The end.